In this video, I'll explain what a region means in Allsolve. But first we need to understand what an entity tag is. All geometries like this one we have here consists of entities. Entities can be three-dimensional volumes, two-dimensional surfaces, or curves, or points. Each entity has an integer identifier that we call a tag. You can see the entities and their tags here in the entities list. So here first we have the volumes, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see them highlighted in the model view. Then we have the surfaces here and also curves here. Now, a region is simply a set of entity tags. All entity tags in a region must have the same type. You can't, for example, have a region that consists of surfaces and volumes. Regions can be used throughout Allsolve to reference the geometry. So basically, whenever you need to reference the model or the geometry in some way, you'll use a region. You can see the regions here in the regions list. You can directly create them here by clicking the plus, selecting the dimensions of the region, for example surface, and then you can start selecting the surfaces for that region. Here you can see the selected surfaces or volumes if you're picking volumes. You can give any name for your region here. And that name will also be used in the generated script, but we won't go into that in detail. Regions will also be generated automatically from places that you can use them in. For example, if you are adding an interaction, let's say a load for solid mechanics, you can add a region here or select an existing one. But let's add a new one here. So you again need to select the dimensions. Let's select the surface. There's also an automatically suggested name you can change, and then you can pick the surface or an entity. Now you can see a new region has been added to the region list.